Hello students, let us continue exercise 13.4 surface areas and volume NCERT exemplar book. Now long answer question, sample question number 1. Rainwater which falls on a flat rectangular surface of length 6 meter and breadth 4 meter is transferred into a cylindrical vessel of internal diameter is 20 centimeter. Rainwater transfer into cylindrical vessel whose internal radius is 20 centimeter and rectangular surface has 6 meter length and 4 meter breadth. What will be the height of the water in the cylindrical vessel? Now we find height of cylinder, that is h. Take h is height. If the rain falls is 1 centimeter, this is the height of the rectangular cuboid surface. This take h equal to 1 centimeter. Now volume of collected water in the flat rectangular surface is equal to length multiply breadth into height. This means 600 multiply 6 meter, that is 600 centimeter, 4 meter, that is 400 centimeter. So we write 600 multiply 400 multiply 1. 1 is height. This is the volume of the rainwater. And transferred this water into cylindrical vessel whose internal radius is 20 centimeter. And what is the height of cylindrical vessel? Give your answer to the nearest integer. Take pi equal to 3.14. Let the height of the water level in the cylindrical vessel be h centimeter. Volume of rainwater is length multiply breadth multiply height. Length 6 meter, write in the form of centimeter, that is 600 centimeter, and height 4 meter, breadth 4 meter, that is 400 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter, 6 meter equal to 600 centimeter. Multiply h is 1. Volume of rainwater equal to 600 multiply 400 multiply 1 centimeter cube. Volume of water in the cylindrical vessel equal to pi radius square into h. Your radius is 20, r is 20. So we write pi 20 whole square into h. H is the height of the cylindrical vessel. According to statement, volume of rainwater transferred into cylindrical vessel. So volume of rainwater is equal to volume of cylindrical vessel. So we write volume of rainwater equal to volume of water in the cylindrical vessel. Now 600 multiply 400 upon pi into 20 into 20. 20 square means 20 into 20 equal to h. 0 0 cancel out, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. 600 upon value of pi 3.14 equal to h, and their calculation is h equal to 191 centimeter. This is the height of cylindrical vessel. That is 191 centimeter. Hence, height of the water level in the cylindrical vessel is 191 centimeter. Now, question number 1. A cylindrical tube open at the both the end is made up of iron sheet which is 2 cm thick. If the outer diameter is 16 cm and its length is 100 cm, find how many cubic centimeters of iron has been used in making the tube. Again repeat. A cylindrical tube open at the both end is made up of iron sheet which is 2 cm thick. Thickness 2 cm. Outer radius, outer diameter 16 cm. So outer radius is 8 cm. And thickness is 2. So inner radius is 8 minus 2, 6 cm. And length is 100 cm. So we take H equal to 100 cm. Find how many cubic centimeter of iron has been used in making the tube. Volume of cylindrical tube pi r square h. Now this is the cylindrical tube open at both ends made up of iron sheet. So given thickness of iron sheet 2 cm, diameter equal to 16 cm. So outer radius is 8 cm. Half of 16 cm, that is 8 cm. And given height of this cylinder, this tube 100 cm. Small r. 8 minus thickness. R equal to 8 minus 2, that is 6 cm. Quantity of volume used in making the tube. Volume of hollow cylinder. Now volume of hollow cylinder is equal to outer volume of cylinder minus inner volume of cylinder. Outer volume of cylinder pi r square h, capital R square into h. H is height. And inner volume pi r square h, small r square h. Now take pi h common from both terms, we get r square minus r square. Now formula a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So we write r plus r, r minus r. Pi h bracket r plus r, r minus r. Now value of pi is 22 upon 7 multiply h. H is 100. So we write 22 upon 7 multiply 100. Capital R 8, small r 6. 8 plus 6 bracket close, 8 minus 6 centimeter cube. 22 upon 7 multiply 100. 8 plus 6 14 multiply 8 minus 6 2. Now 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. 8,800 centimeter cube. This is your required answer. Now question number 2. A semi-circular sheet of metal of diameter 28 cm is bent to form a open conical cup. Find the capacity of the cup. Now this is your semi-circular sheet and diameter is 28 cm. So D equal to 28 cm, bent to form conical cup. So its slant height is 40 cm. Half of diameter, that is slant height 40 cm. And circumference of cone is circumference of semicircular sheet, that is pi r, and r is 14 cm. R is 14 cm because diameter is 28 cm. So pi r, we write r equal to 28 upon 2. R equal to 28 upon 2. Pi 28 upon 2 equal to C. C is circumference of cone. Now circumference of cone equal to pi diameter upon 2. C pi 28 upon 2 circumference of a cone 2 pi r equal to pi 28 upon 2 centimeter. R equal to pi 28 upon 2, pi 28 upon 2, and reciprocal of 2 pi is 1 upon 2 pi. So we write 2 into 22 upon 7. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 and reciprocal of 22 upon 7 is 7 upon 22. So pi cancel. 2 1 ja 2, 2 14 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. Radius is 7 centimeter and slant height is 14 centimeter. Now r square plus h square equal to L square. 7 square plus h square, L is 14 square. 14 into 14, 196. 7 into 7, 49. Transpose of 49 to the right side, that is minus 49. H equal to root of 147. H equal to 12.12 centimeter. This is your root. Hence, capacity of cup is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi r is 7 into 7 and h 12.2. And their calculation is 622.16 centimeter cube. This is the volume of conical cup. Now do exercise 13.4 in your fair notebook. Thank you.